Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this bronzy makeup look. Now this really isn't spring, well actually no. Well, we probably are still in spring. Well, this isn't like warm temperature makeup. You typically will see these colors in the fall time, but I was really feeling like the bronzy makeup look today. So this is what we got. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, first subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video, and just keep on watching. So we're going to start off with the Koh Gen Do Herbal Mist. I've been using this first as well as last when I've been doing my makeup. Smells really good and it's a nice refresher. So for primer, I saw this on the little, you know, right when you go to check out for Sephora, they have all those little traps. I call them traps because it's a lot of little cute stuff and you want to buy it. I saw this mattifying gel primer and I thought, I mean, I'll give it a try. If it doesn't work, then I'll just return it. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it works though, because, you know, just cause I hope it works. So I'm just gonna squeeze out a little bit of this. What interests me about this was that it's a gel and it's supposed to mattify. I don't know why I'm thinking that couldn't mattify, so let's try it. But it definitely did mattify just then. We'll see how long it lasts. It's almost like it's sticky, like it's stiff on the skin, which is pretty nice. This might actually work. I'm impressed with that, first impressions. Now I'm going to add foundation, which is the Koh Gen Do Aqua foundation. I'm gonna press instead of swiping just because I don't wanna move around that primer, because I'm thinking it might work and I want to be careful. The only thing that would be a downer is if that primer breaks me out. And then of course I don't stay matte for a long period of time. Okay, so now I'm going to try out this product that I've actually never tried before. I've never tried anything like it either. And that is the Lancome Custom Sculpting Drop. It is in the shade Bronze Glow. It just seems like a very interesting product. So I assume I just drop it in the areas that I want to bronze and then blend it in. It's kind of nice. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more to bring it forward. So that's really nice. Isn't that pretty? It does seem like it highlights texture though, because you can see like little tiny bumps I have on my face, but it's really pretty. For concealer, I'm going to use the Mercier concealer in the shade 4N, which isn't that much lighter than my skin tone, because the one that's one shade lighter than this is a touch too light. I actually like the formula of this, so I'm fine with using a shade that isn't too light, because when I go in with my translucent powder, it kind of lightens it up a little bit. It ends up working out. So now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows, which I've been using the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys in my previous video the full face of first impressions. It's like this thing worked good the first time, but every time after that, it just starts to do kind of weird things to my brows. So I'm just gonna use the CoverGirl Soft Brown Brow Pencil. Now that I'm thinking about it, that brow pencil might just have been having a tough time with that primer that I use, because that primer is like glue. Like this brow pencil that I'm using now is even tugging a little bit. That primer may actually work like this. I've never used anything like this. I got a new cup when I was in New York. I mean, the stereotypical I love New York cup. I actually bought this in the airport, and then when I went back, I saw that they had the same cup in CVS in New York, and it was like $1.50 cheaper. I was like, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas palette, and I'm going to use the center shade. So I'm gonna apply this back and forth in my upper crease area. And then with this shade right here, I'm going to apply it to the outer V area to really just deepen up the eye look. And then I'm actually gonna take that same shade and smoke out the lower lash line. The same shade I just used in the outer V. And then for the eyelid, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow in the shade Encore. Apply this right to the lid. So pretty. I cannot get over how pretty these shadows are. Like, it's brown, but it almost has like a fiery redness to it. It's so pretty. It's a different color. Like, you expect it to be just like a boring old brown, but then when you get it on your eye, it's different. So because I used a shimmery bronzer base, I don't want to go in with like a shimmer bronzer. So I'm just going to use my Laura Geller Sunset Deep Bronzer, one of my faves, to just warm up right on top of that. I really needed less bronzer and I ended up using the same amount that I normally use. Whoops. And then for highlights, I'm going to use the Persona Cosmetics Zuma highlighter, and I'm going to softly, and that was softly, softly apply this. Doop. And it's so pigmented. I really like that Lancome product though. Like, even though it highlighted my texture, I just think it's such a pretty, just a pretty product. You can still see it even though I added that bronzer. You can see the bronzer there, and then the highlights, the bronzer is just right there. So I'm also going to apply this orange. This is actually my first Natasha Denona product, and this is the Blush Duo palette, and I actually have not looked this up, so I don't really know what this is. I assume it's a highlighter. It may even be a blush because it's saying it's a blush duo, but I'm going to use this shade right here. Oh, it smells good. It smells like perfume almost. Okay, so before I add mascara and lashes and everything, I want to spray my face again just to soak in all the powders that we put on our face. So for lashes, I'm using the Lilly Lashes Opulence lashes. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Flourish mascara. ColourPop's lipstick in the shade Money Moves. And then right on top, I'm going to use Fuel lip gloss from Urban Decay. What you laughing at?
Yeah, that face, and then you went.
Okay, I gotta do the outro. Okay, well, you can stand there, just. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.